How to make techno rumbles. We're gonna start off with a kick drum. Run it to a send channel. Add in a reverb plugin on the send channel with a mix at 100%. Add some distortion. Then we're gonna clean up the bass by rolling off the high end. Make sure to keep the low ends in mono. And stereo shape the other parts a little bit. Of course we need to sidechain it as well to make room for the main kick. I want to clean it up some more. Add some compression. Really hard compression actually. And then to finish it off, we're gonna add an R bass to it to bring out a bit more of the sub frequencies. Sounded like this. So all together in a track, it sounds like this.